Hello, Debbie guys. Welcome. I hope everyone having a great day today. As you can see, I am at Harbor Freight. I am shopping. I heard about this. A lot of people was talking about Harbor Freight, so I decided to come and see what I can see and find. I'm on a budget of $200 to turn my 2008 Saturn into a tiny home, studio apartment, whichever. So come and shop. Maybe you guys can see something you like.
And check out more bang for your buck.
And guys, don't forget to hit that like button, that share button, and that top bell, ding ding, so you can get notification of my videos. Guess what, guys? Sharing is caring. Guys, look at all that tart.
I'm not going to give it away.
It's a lot and got some colors.
Mo for your bang buck.
Guys, if you go to Mo Bang for Your Buck channel, I'm not going to give it away, but he took that tart and made something out of $50. So go to his channel and see what he made.
I like lights.
That's more bang for your buck. Oh, guys, look, light. Everybody like lights. Everyone. I love lights. Let's see what we can find. Light. It say, let there be light. They got some nice selections. It's a nice price. Oh, look what I just found.
This is cool.
$1.99.
$1.99.
Flip up. Flip down. Flip up. Wow.
I like
Now
this.
look at this one. You can adjust this and set it to the lighting what you want.
It's small.
Go turn to get higher, brighter.
Yes,
Woo!
You have control of it.
Man, you can probably see everything in your van. Tiny home with that. Car, tent, mobile home.
Oh, that would be nice.
That is nice. I like that.
Yeah.
I got to get that. Yes.
$1.99.
I'm going to get that. For $1.99? Oh, look what I just found. 99 cents. Oh,
wow.
It's the batteries all come with it. Wow. And you got something, a flashlight, if you need to go to the bathroom. And then it got a magnet. You probably can put on the outside of your van, car, RV, whatever. If your campsite, it's dark.
And it got somewhere where you can
And it got a hook.
Let's grab this.
I'm gonna get that. 99 cents. A girl loves a sale. Come on, follow me. Let's see what else we can find.
Redo this. Try to cut that music out.
Walking through Harbor Freight. Oh, guys, look at that. I just passed it. Did you see those water, those dispenser things? People use those to make shower. God, I walked too fast. Them spray container, what you spray, I guess, your grass. Oh, look what I found.
Look here, anything on a price.
Anything with a yellow tag means sale. Oops, dropped it. Now I have to bend my back to pick it up.
Let's see what this is.
Look.
This is liner.
Oh, wow.
For your dresser.
Lining.
What it look like.
Go in your toolbox. But it's so soft.
Okay.
And you can just wash it off. Oh, I found another one. $6.99.
But for
Oh, $4.99 if you become a member.
This is $2.99.
$2.99.
Let's see. Oh, this had like, look.
Oh, look, I like this one. Got kind of little holes in it. Guys, I'm going to get that. A light bulb just went out.
Something came to me on the idea to use this.
Tell me what I'm going to make with this. Guys, put it in the comment what you think I'm going to use this for.
It's a liner, dresser liner.
That liner.
I'm going to get that too.
Let's see what else we can find. They have all kinds of stuff in here. Look like I'm moving kind of fast, don't it? Slow down. Slow down.
Converter.
Oh, wow. Oh, inverters.
I need one, but...
They got the 750, 2000. Well, I'm on a budget right now, so...
Everything I have is enjoyed.
I need one to run a fan.
All over again.
They have some good prices on them, but never heard of that brand. And plus, I don't know how good they are. But for the price,
$300 to get down and come back. But I tell you one thing,
they have a good price for them.
I'm gonna get that bike. I'm gonna try to find somebody to ride with me. Or
I'm looking at some say
this is $36.
That one,
just do a game
$38, right?
All I need
30-something dollars
to do a fan.
Just what, 120 watts? I know it'll burn my work a fan, but nah, I wouldn't get that.
I don't know how it works. Never tried.
400 watts.
750 watts.
750. That probably would work.
They say it do a coffee maker, power tube.
Let's check out the 139. It's look like it got a microwave. It say yes, it can run a microwave.
139. Let's see what it all is.
It's 1,500.
Say it do.
Look at all that it's run. TV, microwave,
coffee, toaster,
blender, coffee pot,
TV, and a microwave. Wow.
Wow.
I don't know, guys.
Like I said, it's a good price for 1,500 watts, but like I don't know anything about them, so.
Can't get it now.
Anyway, that would come last because I'm on a budget.
$200.
Let's see how far this $200 take me.
Well, that's cute.
I think this time, guys, I'm just gonna do a simple bill, no bill.
I laid it down.
The only thing I probably bill is a kitchen. If I can find something, I probably won't bill it. But I was thinking about taking out the seats, so I don't know if I'm going to take out the seats.
I probably had to go to Walmart.
I'm so used to getting in and that little space.
Well, guys,
I've been able to do what I need to do in here.
On my next video, I'm going to...
But I do want to take out one seat.
Show you guys what I made out this lining. So, drop it in the comments.
You know, I have to start all over. I have this stuff, jackery and stuff, but it's all in Georgia. Is it worth me going back to get it? Well, I think it'll cost me about $3.50 in gas in this SUV.
Ding, ding, so you can get
going there, $3.50 coming back. That's $700. But I know one thing is worth going to get: my bike. Now I'm gonna get that bike. I got to go back and get that bike. I don't know if I'm gonna drive or take a train.
Just $8.99.
Oh, look at that white.
Roll a floor mat.
Floor mats. You probably can roll it on your floor. I probably need one.
Have a great day. Don't forget, hit, share, and like.
Well, guys, I want to say once again, thank you for all your love and your support. And, guys, guess what? Sharing is caring.